Most AI tools cost money, but these ones are completely free and insanely powerful. In this video, I will show you 7 free AI tools you can start using today to boost your productivity, create content, and even make money online. Let's get started. The first tool is ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful AI tools available right now. Even the free version can help you write content, generate ideas, answer questions, and automate tasks. You can use it for school, work, or even starting an online business. The second tool is Canva. Canva allows you to create professional designs for free. You can design thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and even digital products. It is perfect for beginners with no design experience. The third tool is CapCut. CapCut is a free and easy-to-use video editing tool. You can use it to edit YouTube videos, TikToks, and short-form content. It also includes features like auto captions and effects that make editing much faster. The fourth tool is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize your work, take notes, and generate content. You can use it to plan your day, write documents, and manage projects more efficiently. It is like having a smart assistant for your productivity. The fifth tool is Grammarly. Grammarly helps you improve your writing by correcting grammar and spelling mistakes. It also suggests better ways to write sentences, making your content more professional. This is especially useful for emails, essays, and online work. The sixth tool is Remove.bg. This tool removes the background from any image in seconds. You can use it to create thumbnails, product images, or social media content. It saves a lot of time compared to manual editing. The seventh tool is Pictory. Pictory allows you to turn text into videos automatically. You can use it to create YouTube videos, social media content, and more. It is perfect if you want to create content quickly without advanced editing skills. The best part about all these tools is that you can start using them right now without spending any money. If you are not using these AI tools yet, you are missing out on a huge advantage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, which free AI tool are you going to try first?